bus driver.
We're matching today. We have on our yellow and black. Cute. Chicks will be here soon. Whee!
Ready? All right.
I'm hanging on. Garden center. He's cute. Hey there. Good looking. We're gonna get some grapevines. Awesome, look at the trees that are out. Some of them are budding.
This is 89. That's not bad.
You fussing now? All right, we're leaving. We're leaving.